One of the great features in Flight is the ability to add custom documents for new hires to review when they're completing their paperwork. And Flight has a built-in capability to be able to replace what we call these merge tags. And there's a full set of standard merge tags like employee full name, employee signatures when you want the employee to electronically sign a document. But there are often cases where you need to collect additional information from the employee to get on the document. Something such as a driver's license number, or in this case maybe the number of years an employee has been driving. So this is a document for a transportation company where they need the employee's driver's license number and the number of years driving. So now when we get to the employee going through the new hire paperwork, they're going to need to answer questions so that we can replace these special merge tags within this custom document. So now let's look at how do you add this document to Flight and be able to tie questions to have these special merge tags here answered by each new hire. So now that we're inside of Flight, what we're going to do is add that document where we need to get the new hire's driver's license and the number of years driving. So let's go to maintain new hire documents here, and let's go through the process of adding a new one. Let's simply just click on choose. Let's find the one that we want from our computer. So I'm going to find mine here. It's in my onboarding library. Here's my driver's rules and regulations. I'm going to upload the document. Now during this upload process, Flight's going to inspect any of those merge tags that it finds, and we can see it highlights two of them, the driver's license number and years driving, because these are not standard ones that Flight knows how to replace. So what I can easily do now is add questions that the new hire will be prompted with, so that we can then have their answer replace this tag in the document. So I'm going to say, what is your driver's license number? That's the question I'll pose to the new hire. It's going to be a text entry question. And for years driving, I'm going to add another question. How many years have you been driving? And in this case, I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to make it a drop-down list for the employee to select from. I'm going to say 1, 2, or 3 plus are the answers that they can select. So now what we have here is Flight's recognize that there are these special tags. The ones that we weren't sure what to replace with, we now have added questions that will be posed to the new hire when they're completing their new hire paperwork. I've now added this document, and it's now available for use for new hires within Flight.